people have been asking me for a custom wardrobe tutorial, so I might as well do it. So enjoy watching the video, and goodbye. First thing you want to do is go over to your buttons. Make sure you have the mesh filter as cube. Normally they're decombined or combined, so make sure it's set to cube. And then all you want to do is duplicate this, drag it up, and then you want to put text as custom wardrobe. And after that, you want to drag this over here. And you want to put a disable custom wardrobe. I don't know why my text like that. Okay, there we go. Anyway, you want to go over to your buttons, select them all, then create empty parent, and then make sure everything's in there, including the head models. And then you can disable this and enable it. I also forgot to grab my text and put them in here. So put them in there. Okay. Now all of them disable. Then what you're gonna do is you wanna create a new game object. You can put it anywhere. I'm just gonna put mine right here. And then you wanna grab one of the buttons inside of here, like duplicate these three, duplicate them, drag them in here. Also duplicate their text, because you need those. Okay, I now have all of my text. Now you want to use this and drag it down here. Then put it right here. Then however many tabs you want. I'm going to do one for now. Actually, I'm going to do 2 tabs. One of my tabs are going to be named mod menus. And then one of my tabs are going to be named faces. I'm not actually going to use the faces tab, but I'm going to use this. Anyway, you want to go to your custom wardrobe game object, drag both of these in it, and then you want to create a new empty, and you name it whatever your tab name is, so mine's mod menus. Then I'm going to duplicate that, the faces, and then put all the duplicated items you just duplicated, then put them in whatever tabs. So for me, I'm putting these 2 in this. So now you can disable and enable them. So what you want to do here, you want to go to my Discord, and then go into the videos, and then custom wardrobe, and then you want to download both of these. Boom, 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 boom. And then you can go to your files, and then you can drag both of these in your game. Wait for them to import. After you drag these in, you want to put Banana OS menu button on this. For mesh renderer, you just want to drag the button in it. You don't have to put a mesh renderer for this Banana OS, it auto sets, but I'm going to do that for safety measures. Anyway, all you have to do is drag this to objects to enable, drag this to objects to disable, and then for this one, you want to do the same thing but in reverse. So it should look like this, and then for this one, it should look like this. And then you want to put pressed material as press, this one, and then you want to put unpressed as plastic, this one. Then you have both of your buttons fully working. Now to get the other buttons working, you want to select all of these, remove this. Then if you want to use like the Banana OS menu button to enable an object without having it as a toggle button, use the Banana OS menu button. Then use Banana OS menu button 1 if you want a toggle object. To set this one up, you want to put pressed material as pressed, then unpressed as plastic. Then for mesh renderer, you don't even have to do anything, just that auto sets. Anyway, click the plus right here, then you can put whatever toggle object you want. Then for the left and right button, you want to remove the function script, and then you want to add Banana OS menu button. Then you don't have to set this, it auto sets. Then put pressed as the pressed material, and then plastic as the unpressed material. Then you have both of these. Now your wardrobe fully works. To make another page, you want to select all these, right click, drag your text into, and name it page 1. Then I have page 2. I'm going to put this text here so I can know which page is which. 1. And I'm going to size it up and set that to that. Okay, here's page 1 and then page 2. Now you have page 1 and 2. To make it actually function, you want to go here to your whatever one. Then you want to put objects to enable, page 2. Then objects to disable, page 1. Then you want to disable page 1, go to page 2. Then for page 2, you want to enable page 1. Then page 2, just do that for all the pages. Now if you go in play mode, okay, now what you want to do, you have page 1, and then you want to click this, and then you're at page 2, and you can click this, page 1. Then you can go to faces, and then you can go back to mod menus. And then that's your custom wardrobe. Thanks for watching.